Hello, TechPoint family. Welcome, Narwal Freo, Freo mode, from hands-free to mind-free. The Narwal Freo inherits the legacy of a self-cleaning, self-washing, and drying mop. In Freo mode, this combination of robot vacuum and mop redefines the logic of automatic cleaning in your life by making optimal cleaning decisions and actions. Dirt Sense. Ultra Clean. Freo's Dirt Sense technology intelligently detects how dirty the mop pads are. Subsequently, Freo sterilizes the mop pads by mixing them with water included in the package and rotating them at high speed. Smart Swing Mopping. Reaching dust and stains along walls and baseboards can be challenging for many robot mops and electric vacuums. Thanks to Corner TrapSex technology, the Freo robot vacuum and mop combo activates Smart Swing periodically to address dust in corners and on baseboards, deeper and safer cleaning. Patented high-speed rotating mop pads provide a downward force of 12 N. The original triangular design ensures seamless rotation without leaving any lines behind, offering flexible selection on various floor types. Narwal Robot Mop and Vacuum perform thorough cleaning without causing harm to your floors. 3 mop drying modes. Ensuring that mop pads are thoroughly dry after each use is crucial. Freo Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo features a dual air tunnel system with a special mechanism for gentle drying at 40 degrees C after every use, maintaining the hygiene of each mop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for this short information channel. See you in the next video.